Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of my absolute favorite foods, tacos. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, tacos are a versatile and delicious option that can be customized to fit any taste preference. In this video, I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks for making the ultimate tacos at home. So let's get started. The first step to making the perfect taco is choosing the right ingredients. Start with fresh tortillas. You can either buy them from a store or make them at home if you're feeling ambitious. Then choose your protein, whether it's beef, chicken, pork, or tofu. Make sure it's high quality and seasoned well. Add some vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and onions for a crunchy and fresh taste. And don't forget about the toppings. Cheese, sour cream, and guacamole are classic options that can take your taco to the next level. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to cook your protein. Depending on what you choose, you can grill it, bake it, or pan. Fry it. Make sure it's cooked all the way through and seasoned with your favorite spices. For a delicious beef taco, I like to use a mixture of cumin, chili powder, and paprika. Now that your protein is cooked, it's time to assemble your tacos. Start by heating up your tortillas in a dry pan or on a griddle. Then add your protein, vegetables, and toppings in layers. I like to start with the protein, then add lettuce and tomatoes, and finish with a dollop of sour cream and a sprinkle of cheese. One of the great things about tacos is that they can be customized to fit any taste preference. If you're a meat lover, try adding some bacon or chorizo to your taco. If you're a vegetarian, swap